Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening a Decocrated box. I'm gonna drop it. And I'm really excited for this. I think I'm gonna include this in like a whole fall decorating video because I'm also getting the Halloween box, but it's not here yet. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. We're kind of flying by the seat of our pants over here. We're going a little bit crazy, but I think that's how it's gonna all work out. So I'm excited to get into this box. If you enjoy this type of content, I can't say that word, I don't know why. Please remember to subscribe and let's open this box up. Okay, when we open it up, it's so big. Whoop. This is what it looks like, and there's a spoiler on the top for us. And so it comes with this little booklet, which is my favorite. I love looking at this. Design is something that is adapting for me, like that I'm learning to do. I don't know how to phrase that. Anyways, it's not something I was naturally good at, but I feel like I'm becoming somewhat better, at least better than I was. And so it's just this growing experience for me. So I like having this booklet because it gives you ideas. If you have gotten their previous boxes and stuff, then it'll also give you ideas of how you could use that stuff and incorporate it into decorating and all that stuff. We just keep saying stuff. This is gonna be awkward. Anyway, so this box is $80 about. I think it's a little cheaper if you do the annual membership. But then you also get this cute little card every quarter they send this, and it has two sides so you can decide what kind of fits you better. And then it says fall breeze, autumn leaves on this side, which I think I like this side better. I'm not a huge Halloween decor person. And this one has like some bats on it and stuff, but I still like getting their Halloween box because there's still some pieces that can be used for other times of year. So this, it looks like, oh, these are tea towels. So sorry, this is loud. Let me open this up and we'll look at these. So there's two different tea towels. So this one has leaves on it, and then this one's spider webs. And again, I don't know if I'll decorate with this. It is very like neutral. I don't like the scary, creepy Halloween stuff. So anyways, this is fairly like neutral when it comes to Halloween. But also, I just like using these for baking bread, and I don't have that many tea towels, so I might just put them in my cupboard as well and use them for that all year round. So let me get into the rest of this stuff because it's all packaged up really good, and then I'll be like surrounded by boxes over here, but it'll be a lot easier to show you everything. Okay, we finally made it through all the boxes. There's a lot. There's like massive boxes over here. So the first things that I opened are these candlesticks, which I just love. Again, so much of their decor is not necessarily just season specific. Some of it is a little bit more, but there's a lot of it that can be used year round. So these are super cute, like for the really big candles and the wood. I love those. And you know, like you have a variety of sizes going on. And then these little beads, so that's cute. Again, colors that can be used for more seasons than just fall. So those are super cute and shiny. And then we have this little pumpkin guy, which it's like good quality. It feels really nice and green colored. So I can put that with all my other pumpkins. And I love decorating from fall. It's like one of my favorite things to do. And I wait till September 1st. I'm like, okay, September 1st. We'll not push summer out of the way too fast, but it's like one of my favorite things to do. So I'm excited. And then this ladder right here. So I'll have to figure out what to do with these. I have one of these ladders in my kitchen. It's a little bit bigger and it's slanted, so it would like sit flatter. Anyways, and it has like a towel on it. So I'll have to see what I want to do with that one. And the last thing is going to be a little bit tricky to show you because it's a mirror. So I just like hold it sideways. There's my window, you can see right there. Anyways, but it has a moon on the side. So again, that kind of like Halloween theme, but also not, you know, like doesn't have to be Halloween. It can fit a lot of other themes as well. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I don't really have like this brushed brass. Wow, I don't know. You know what I'm talking about in my house. So I'm not sure what I do with this or where I put it, but we'll figure out something. And then the moon again on the side. So that's what's in this box. And I'm excited to see what's in the Halloween box and then to get everything decorated and to show you it all completely done. It's fall, y'all, and I'm very, very excited. I have fall decorations behind me. I'll show you in a minute, but I am so excited. It's not technically fall because it's like the 3rd of September, but it's still fall to me because I just decorate every quarter basically, and I decorate for the whole quarter. And fall is my favorite time to decorate for. I know a lot of people love fall, but this really is like, I just love it so much. I love the weather because it changes where I live, it cools down. And I just love the smells. I just love everything about fall. And I'm really, really excited to decorate for it. So I have the decor all set out. I need to take down my old decor that was kind of my summer and 4th of July and all that kind of stuff decor, and dust. It's like the only time I dust that shelf. So I mostly just have one spot that I decorate. I place a few things other places, but I just like to keep it to that one spot. I don't go crazy. I don't want to spend money to decorate my whole house. I think that's super cute, but I personally just don't want to do it, and I don't want to store all this stuff for it. And so I don't do that. I just mostly do one shelf, and I have a few things I'll set like on my kitchen counter. And then I actually have room to decorate my homeschool room right now because I moved everything around and put a bookcase back there. And so I'm gonna put a few things back there as well. So we might use all these things. I'm not really sure. We'll just kind of see. Some years I use all of it. Sometimes I don't. I get more stuff. You know how it goes. And so my Decocrated stuff is actually upstairs in my bedroom right now because I might use it to decorate up there. I'm getting new bookcases for that room because I have too many books. And so once I do that, I'll decorate up there with all that stuff because I just feel like it'll fit better with the decor that's already up there instead of with all this decor. So let me flip you around and show you what's on the table, and then we'll start decorating, and hopefully it won't take too long because I still have a lot of things I need to do today. Okay, so here we have some of our stuff. I have a sign back here. I usually just kind of change it out because I just bought the frame and then find signs on Pinterest and change them out. These are obviously not fall flowers. The fall flowers are in that bag back there, so I need to switch out all those ones. These are my spring flowers. And then I have several signs. I have a harder time resisting fall signs. They're like my favorite. I have pumpkins. I made those several years ago. And then a turkey that I made part of it. Like I bought the wood online and then did some Mod Podge with it. I don't know how to say that word. Someone got mad at me for saying it the wrong way. However you say it, you get what I'm saying. And I have a wreath that I made a while ago. I have a few other things. These are from Decocrated from last year. And this sign is from another subscription box. These pumpkins I got at Hobby Lobby several years ago after the season was done. So they were like 80% off. And then I have another fall sign. These I think are both Michael's. And then these pumpkins, sorry, the lights might get a little bit intense as we get towards the window. These pumpkins right here are ones that I made for a church activity and stuff. And so they're somewhat similar to the other ones. They're just decorated a little bit more. And then these I also made, but I put the scrapbook paper, I don't know what I'm talking about, on them. And I bought the wood cut out like that. And then I have this big sign up here from Hobby Lobby. And then these are a whole bunch of Halloween and a little bit of fall stuff from Decocrated last year as well. So we'll see where we want to put those. So that's kind of what we're working with here. And so if you can see all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna switch out our old shelf and put the stuff on. Okay, so here's the shelf that I put everything on. It's just in my entryway. And so I'm gonna take all this stuff off and put the fall stuff on and dust it pretty good because I can see all the fingerprints everywhere. So we're gonna give it a good dusting and then decorate it for fall. And I am so excited, guys. I love decorating for fall. Okay, so the Halloween Decocrated box just showed up and I am so excited. You would have just seen me decorate with all the fall decor. I've been waiting on this just to kind of see what other decor we have. So I'm really excited to open it up. This one, I feel like it's close to $40. I can't ever remember for sure. It's just one of those add-on boxes. They have one for Christmas and for like the 4th of July and for Easter, I believe. So let me get this open. Let me unwrap all the things and then I'm gonna come back and show you them. Okay, so I have everything unwrapped here and I'm excited to show you these things. I mentioned before, Halloween really isn't my favorite holiday and I don't love decorating for it. I just don't like the creepy parts of decorations for Halloween. But I like getting this box because it just kind of exposes me to things I'm not as comfortable with. And a lot of them are a lot cuter. They're not as spooky. So the first thing I pulled out was this pillowcase. And so it has the spider webs on one side or just orange on the other, which is super nice. And I love how their pillowcases are usually similar in size. They're either like this long one or they're more the square pillows, so that you can just easily change them out. You're not having to go buy new pillows all the time because they are different sizes. But this is really cute. I'm, again, not sure where I'm gonna decorate with this stuff, but we'll figure it out. And then this little jar or bowl, I guess. You could put little treats in it, I guess. Do you think it's supposed to be an owl or a cat? These ears are throwing me off. I'm like, do owls have ears like that? Anyways. But it is very cute and I might just display it somewhere. I don't know if I'll put anything in it. And then this moon I think is super cute. So this is more my Halloween decor aesthetic, is this. Nothing super creepy or anything, and you could hang it up on the wall if you want, or you just can lean it up against something. That would be really cute. And then there's this sign, enter if you dare. Which again is a little, it's not creepy, but it has that slightly, it has skeleton on it, so it's slightly more creepy. But then it also allows you to hang it up if you want to do that. And then the last thing in this box is this cute little haunted house, which I do like that it's not super colorful or anything like that. I feel like this can go with a lot of different types of decor because it's just black and simple, and I just think it would look good with anything. And then they also always send a little card that's reversible that you can hang up so you can decide which side you like better. And then their little booklet that's upside down, that has all the things in it, and ideas of how you could decorate with some of the things they've sent and with stuff from the previous boxes. So I'm excited to find places for these. I probably won't include that in this video just because this video has been going on for a long time, but I have enjoyed decorating. I've enjoyed showing you kind of how I decorate. And so if you enjoy seeing a kind of like decorating video occasionally or every season, please let me know down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you next time.